awards tonight. First one is the most disciplined player.
Good luck and good evening to you all. It's a pleasure to be with you all here tonight to celebrate the achievements of our young rugby players, our young brothers. And we can never underestimate the value of this type of recognition as you're doing tonight. It can be the extra boost that the young player needs to double down with renewed dedication to the game and continue to a path of greatness. I thank the Newtown Rugby Club for seeing this and for your work for not only hosting these awards, but to run what is unquestionably and undoubtedly a successful rugby program that has helped shape the lives of many in the Nisinu and Newtown communities, many of whom wouldn't have the support or resources to thrive on their own. So I thank the Newtown Rugby Club for this. I also thank the sponsor, Combat Sportswear, for helping you on this journey. As tonight is about honoring the many achievements the Newtown Rugby Club, I'd like to start by offering you all a big congratulations for winning the Nisinu Rugby Union competition earlier this year. I understand for the first time in the history of the competition, the club has managed to successfully defend the Nisinu Championship in 7 successive challenges. It is a remarkable accomplishment. You were faced with other top teams such as Army, Police and Munakau. You prevailed. You came through with flying colors to defend the shield for another year, and for that, you deserve to be proud. My friends, the legacy of your rugby club is truly impressive, both on and off the field. In operation for 16 years, the club has shown a commitment to training and molding young people to become positive agents for change in your community. Involvement in initiatives like Fiji's Walk On, Walk Strong, participation in cleanup campaigns within the Greater Nisinu area have proven that you are committed to my vision of a brighter future for Fiji, and for that, I thank you. Your work to better our nation is commendable, as are the achievements of those champions who this great rugby club has produced over the years, from Tokonilu to Dalekadivi to Chochi in Tukumula, and of course, our own Jerry White, a gold medal winner from the 2016 Rio Olympics, member of the winning 2018-2019 HSBC World 7 Series, and perhaps the most successful 7th player in Fijian history. I know that Jerry serves as an inspiration to young rugby players, not only in the club, but throughout Fiji and across the world. I can say with confidence that with your continued passion for developing both your ruggers and your communities, Newtown will continue to produce giants like Jerry in the years to come. I encourage you to continue your winning form as you go into this year's 7th season starting this month. If you keep up the good work, it's clear that the best days for Netunu, Newtown Rugby Club in Netunu lie ahead. Thank you again for inviting me to be your chief guest tonight. Congratulations to all the winners, and I look forward to watching your continued success. Now, Malemo, thank you, and God bless you all.
And first off, the Team Manager Award